gluten-free. It's really good for lockdown because the only fresh ingredients are bananas, and that's it. The only equipment you will need is either a NutriBullet blender or a handheld blender like this. Today I'm going to be using the NutriBullet blender because it's a lot easier and quicker. Okay, the ingredients you will need are bananas, a couple cubes of ice, which I've got in the bowl, some milk, it can be soy or not, peanut butter, cinnamon cacao, and this is optional. You can also add moringa powder. You can see here I have already put the milk and bananas in. It's a good idea to put them in first because the peanut butter won't stick to the sides. Okay, now I'm going to add the peanut butter. So you want about 2 of these put in. Don't let it stick to the sides because then the blender won't blend it and you'll just get sticky peanut butter on the sides. Okay. Quick thing to take note of, if your bananas are looking a little bit old or brown, that's fine. In fact, maybe it's even better. Okay, now we're going to add the cacao, cinnamon cacao powder. Remember, also only use half a teaspoon because this stuff is very, very strong. So I'll just pop that in there. Also, if you can't get cinnamon cacao powder, just use any sort of cacao powder. Now that I've added that, you can add the ice. So just plop them in there, about 5 small pieces. Also, this stuff is moringa powder. It's very, very good for you, but you don't have to add it in. You can if you want. Remember, very, very little because it's very strong. Okay, so now that we've done that, I'm going to get my thing and start to blend it. Okay, so now that we've added all the ingredients in, we're now going to blend it. There we go. Mine is a very powerful one, so yeah, I don't have to do it for that long. Depends how powerful they are. Okay, so here is final bit. Any fruits or berries can be just thrown in. They'll add a really good taste. It'd be better if they were frozen, but it's absolutely fine. Also fruit juices would be good. I've added mango as well. So now I'm just going to put the strawberries in. There you go. Now I'm going to blend it again. As you can see here, by adding the strawberries and berries, it has made a really nice colour. Also, this will go into 4 about this size cups. Also, any leftovers can be put into the freezer to make delicious smoothie ice lollies. Also, in this, I would have used a little less milk. But if you ever find that there is too much milk, you can just add more peanut butter or more anything really else, but not cacao. This will go into 4 cups, which is great. Also, today we've made a really easy, nice, simple vegan smoothie which tastes delicious. Thanks for watching. Okay, now that I've got all the ingredients that I need in here, I'm going to start to blend it.
Okay, stop.
teaspoon of cacao.